So, students of ninth grade, today I will discuss about the preparation of your unit test. Name of the chapter is the Harappa Civilization. In this chapter we have discussed about the sources, Great Bath, citadels, seals, bearded man, dancing girl, dockyard, script, its origin, extent, urban planning, trade, art and craft and its declines. Firstly, we will go through the one line or one word question answers. The first question is, what was the unique feature of the city? Unique feature क्या था city का? Answer is its elaborate drainage system. Second question is, name the material used for the pool of the Great Bath. कौन सा मटीरियल यूज़ किया गया था ग्रेट बाथ बनाने के लिए? दैट इज़ ब्रिक्स एंड जिप्सम मोटर. Third question is, why did ancient men start using bronze for making tools and weapons? Answer is because bronze is harder and more ductile than copper. Bronze जो metal है वो ज़्यादा durable थी as compared to copper. Question number 4. What was called to the raised area of the each city? Answer is citadel. Next question is, name the process by which sculpture in metal was done. Answer is metallurgy. Question number 6. By whom was the city Mohenjo-daro discovered? The answer is in 1922 R.D. Banerjee discovered the city of Mohenjo-daro. Next question. Who discovered the city of Harappa? Answer is 1901 Sir John Marshall, the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India. Eighth question. What is meant by the word Mesopotamia? Answer is the word Mesopotamia means the region between the two rivers. Question number 9. What were used by trader to stamp their goods? Answer is the seals. Next. What script was used by the Harappan? That is pictographic. Next, describe the famous sculpture in metal which was found among the ruin of the city of Mohenjo-daro. Answer, bronze figure of a dancing girl. Next question, name two important cities of Harappa, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Now come to the short question answers. First is, name two important sources of information on the Harappa civilization. Answer is the discovery of Indus Valley Civilization by 2500 BC. The evidences of Harappa civilizations were obtained because Harappa site was the first to be discovered in 1921 at the modern site of Harappa situated in the province of West in Punjab in Pakistan. Due to the bronze thing of that time, it is also called the Bronze Age civilization. Such knowledge and skill enable people to advance to a new stage in the progress of civilization. 1921 में हड़प्पा की साइट जो है वो फर्स्टली डिस्कवर्ड हुई थी जो आजकल पाकिस्तान पंजाब में पाई जाती है और एक उस टाइम में जो ब्रॉन्ज थिंग बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस थी दैट वाज दिस सिविलाइजेशन वर आल्सो नोन एज द ब्रोन एज सिविलाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम वन इम्पॉर्टेंट पब्लिक बिल्डिंग ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंस. पब्लिक बिल्डिंग जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस थी उस टाइम में. Citadel. The raised area of each city was called the citadel. The platform was built of mud bricks. Importance क्या थी इसकी? The citadel points to the elaboration planning that went into the development of city and justify that the Harappa civilization was an urban civilization. Give any two characteristics features of the citadel. इसका आंसर है the raised area of each city was called the citadel. It owed its height to the building constructed on mud bricks platform. The citadel had houses of a ruling class and important buildings like the Great Bath and Granary and Assembly Hall and the workshop. Citadel की main characteristics क्या थे? ये जो citadel से जो ऊंची बिल्डिंग थी उस टाइम के एरियाज़ की उसको सिटाडेल बोलते थे और ये मड ऑफ ब्रिक्स से बनाई जाती थी. जो रूलिंग क्लास के लोग थे और जो इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्डिंग थी जैसे ग्रेट बाथ है, ग्रैनरी है, ये सारे उसके अंडर ही आते थे. हाउ वर सील यूज्ड? व्हाट इन्फॉर्मेशन डू दे गिव अबाउट हड़प्पा ट्रेड? द सील वर यूज्ड बाय ट्रेडर टू स्टैम्प देयर गुड्स. After a bag with goods was tied, a layer of a wet clay was applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. These seals were found in different regions. This indicates that the Harappa trade had spread over a vast area. Next, briefly describe granaries at Harappa. Answer is granaries have been found at several sites Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Kalibangan. However, at Harappa there were 2 rows of 6 granaries each. To the south of the granary at Harappa, working floors consisting of rows of circular brick platform were discovered. It is believed that these floors were meant for threshing grains. Briefly describe the ornament worn by the Harappa. Ornaments were worn by both men and women. Some of the common ornaments were necklace, finger rings, bangles, armlets, anklets, nose rings, fan-shaped head dress and earrings. Next is briefly describe the statue of the dancing girl. The bronze statue of a dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro is a masterpiece of art and it shows a high degree of development in the art of the sculpture. Mention the types of dress worn by the Indus Valley people. The Indus Valley men used to wear a dhoti as depicted on a potsherd. From Harappa, they wore a shawl as an upper garment and shown by the famous figure of the priest from Mohenjo-daro. The woman wore a skirt and used a cloak to cover arms and shoulders. State any 2 evidences that show the Harappa also had trade relations with foreign countries. First is the Mesopotamia records from about 2350 BC onward refer to trade relations with Muleha, which was the ancient name given to the Thailandus region. Second is the depictions of ships and boats on seals also indicate this. Name the 4 animals depicted on the Pashupati seals. The answer is seals of Pashupati shows a 3-faced deity wearing a buffalo horned head dress, seated cross-legged on the throne and surrounded by an elephant, a tiger, a buffalo and a rhinoceros with 2 deer at his feet. State any 2 causes that led to the decline of the Harappa civilization. First one is the Harappa civilization declined sometimes around 1800 BC. Some of the likely cause for the declines are the following: floods and earthquake. It is held by some scholars that floods of Mohenjo-daro led to the abandonment of this settlement. Next is what types of weight and measures did the Indus people use? Answer is the Harappa people used sets of cubical stone weight. The basic unit was 16. State any 2 ways to show the value of Indus script as a source of historical information. The answer is the Harappa used a script which is regarded as pictographic since its signs represent birds, fish, variety of the human form. Second is the script is found inscribed on a number of seals, copper tools, rim of jars, copper and terracotta tablets. Next is in what 2 respects is Harappa civilizations are greatest heritage. The Harappa civilization present a basic ground of indiscernible heritage which imparts a solid imprint on the later civilization. The Great Bath. The Great Bath is one of the largest public buildings at Mohenjo-daro. It has a large rectangular tank in a courtyard surrounded by a corridor on all 4 sides. The Great Bath is the source of Harappa civilization. So this is the end of our first assignment. I hope you well understand. Thank you.